Choosing the best stand mixer can be difficult because there are a variety of options from different brands on the market. Luckily, we've researched for you and also put together a list of our top 5 best stand mixers for you to consider. There are many products available to choose from stand mixers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, check reviews, and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid KSM 150 PSCR Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. 10-speed slide control ranges from a very fast whip to a very slow stir. Includes flat beater, dough hook and wire whip. Power hub for additional attachments, volts 120. Unique mixing action. Hub cover non-hinge. Assembled with pride in Greenville, Ohio. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center, with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5 QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl, for thorough ingredient incorporation. The tilt head design allows clear access to the bowl and attached beater or accessories so you can easily add ingredients for a recipe. Powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe, whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough, or whipping cream. Includes coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip, and 1-piece pouring shield. The flat beater and dough hook are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Aucma Stand Mixer 6.5 QT 660W 6-speed tilt head food mixer. 6.5 QT large capacity bowl with handles. 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl can meet all your kitchen needs. The stand mixer is easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins and waffle, and the dual handles are more convenient to hold. Powerful motor and variable speed control. 660W high performance pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing. 6 optimized speeds with pulse function, access to multi-purpose and a variety of recipes. More powerful motor but lower operation noise. 76 decibels. Tilt head and outside design. The tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. The mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as power indicator. The red housing with 2-layer painting make it look more shining and beautiful in your kitchen. Multiple attachment set. Aucma stand mixer comes with 3 mixing accessories. Whisk, dough hook, mixing beater. The splash guard with access hatch helps add ingredients without making a mess. Ideal gift and multiple authentication. Aucma electric mixer is a perfect gift idea for Mother's Day, your family, and friends. Please always feel free to contact us if you have any questions during using. Number 3. Cuisinart SM50BC Precision Master 5.5 Core 12-speed stand mixer. Must-have features. Polished stainless steel bowl, tilt back head and 1 power outlet for optional attachments. Superior function. Delivering power, precision and performance. Our stand mixer features a 5.5 core capacity with a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. Optional attachments and colors. Pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer. All colors available in silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, and robin's egg. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Included. Chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout. Also included is an instruction manual and recipe book. Number 4. Delish by Dash Compact Stand Mixer. Compact. Weighing less than 5 lbs and standing only 10.5 tall, the Dash stand mixer fits underneath most kitchen cabinets. Perfect for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, or limited countertop space. Versatile. The Delish by Dash stand mixer is the perfect kitchen accessory for the budding baker or home cook looking to mix, beat, cream, or whip something up sweet or savory. Tilting head. The tilting motor head makes it easy to remove the stainless steel mixing bowl and eject the beaters or dough hooks. No more mess. Plus, the retro design and variety of trendy colors options will accent any kitchen. Includes. Delish by Dash stand mixer is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a 3.5 QT stainless steel mixing bowl, 2 dough hooks and 2 mixer beaters. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Adjustable slide. Move the bowl from side to side so you can add or reincorporate ingredients while mixing. With 5 speeds ranging from gentle mixing to high-speed whipping, it's never been easier to find the perfect setting. Number 5. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Plus 3.5 QT. Tilt Head Stand Mixer. 3.5 core stainless steel bowl for smaller batches, to mix up 5 dozen cookies in a single batch. Dishwasher safe. Using the flat beater, 28 grams dough each. Built to take it all on with the durable and built to last metal construction, and 67 touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. Model KSM 3316X includes 1. 3.5 core stainless steel bowl, 2. Flex edge beater, 3. Coated dough hook, 4. 6 wire whip. Lighter. Smaller. Just as powerful. With the same power as the KitchenAid classic stand mixer, the Artisan Mini weighs less, so it's easier to move around and is smaller, taking up less counter space. Easily add ingredients with the tilt head design, because you'll have better access to the bowl. Lock the head in place while mixing. 10 plus attachments to make more with your mixer, to make everything from fresh pasta to burgers, veggie noodles, salads, and more. Sold separately. 10 speeds for nearly any task or recipe. For mixing ingredients together on the stir speed to whipping cream at speed 8, you'll get thorough ingredient incorporation every time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life very much easier.